Hi, this is John without TI, and this is in fact one of the my childhood mints. And everyone around me, and I always remember my mom used to have one of these guys in her purse, and I would eat them all. She used to get mad at me because of that. This is the whole menthol, this flavor that it's really good. It tastes great. Sometimes I have this when I have a sore throat, as I have to be constantly speaking during the day, making the videos, working online and having several conversations because my job is speaking to other people. Just while I'm having the sweet craving that just having one of these guys or going out and just putting it in my pocket before I go to any nice place to speak to somebody else. This actually has a great flavor. It has a great help when it comes to keeping your breath fresh and clean. So if you're looking for a great option of mints that are going to be pocketable and easy just to travel with, this whole ones does a great job. So this was John with Lee TI, and that was my point of view.